In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add songs to a playlist in YouTube Music. Let's start by getting YouTube Music open. On a computer, go to music.youtube.com in your browser. If you're on your phone or tablet, open the YouTube Music app. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want your playlist to live so everything stays in one place. Next, find the song you want to add. Use the search bar at the top and type the song title, artist, or even an album name. You'll see results grouped by songs, albums, and artists. If you already see the exact track you want in the songs section, that's perfect. If you're browsing an album or an artist page, you can still add individual tracks from there using the same menu we'll use now. When you've spotted the right song, look for the three dots next to the title. On desktop, they're on the right side of the track. On mobile, they appear next to the song or on the now playing screen. Click or tap those three dots to open the options, then choose Add to Playlist. If you've already created playlists, you'll see them listed. If not, it's time to make one. Select New Playlist. Give your playlist a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. You might use a theme, a mood, or an activity like Morning Focus or Road Trip Mix. When you're happy with the name, click Create. That instantly makes your playlist and adds the song you selected to it. To build out your playlist, repeat the same process for more tracks. Search for a song, open the three-dot menu, and choose Add to Playlist, then pick the playlist you just created. You can add as many songs as you like, and you can do this from search results, artist pages, albums, or even while a song is playing. If you ever want to fine-tune things, you can edit your playlist at any time. Open the playlist from your library, review the tracks, and add or remove songs as your taste changes. If you accidentally added the wrong track, removing it is just as quick, and you can immediately add a better fit. And that's it. Open YouTube Music, find a song, add it to a playlist, create a new playlist with a name you love, and repeat to keep building. Enjoy crafting the perfect soundtrack for your day.